find cool shells during low tide. That's an awesome shell too, Chickaletta. Let's dig it out. Uh-oh, the tide is coming in. We better head in. Oh no, Callie! Chickaletta! The tide is too strong! I'll call the PAW Patrol for help! Check out this move! I call this one the slippery soccer ball! Whoa! Oops, I'm okay. I guess I was the one slipping, not the ball.
Alex, what's going on?
The tide swept Callie and Chickaletta out into the ocean, Ryder. We were digging up seashells.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No tide is too tough. No pup is too small. PAW Patrol, to the lookout!
Ryder needs us. PAW Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Alex was looking for shells with the mini patrol when Callie and Chickaletta were swept out to sea by the tides.
Oh no! The pull from the tides can be strong and dangerous.
They need help getting back to shore. So for this mission, I'll need Suma. Bring someone back in with the buoy on your hovercraft.
Ready, set, get wet.
I'll also need Sky. Use your harness to carry someone out of the water.
This pup's gotta fly.
Alex mentioned something about digging for seashells. So for any digging, I'll need you too, Rubble.
Rubble on the double.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Yeah! Let's go! Thanks for coming, Pops. Hurry, they're still out there. I don't think you like being a catfish, huh, Callie? Grab on. Buoy. Oh! Harness! Callie, Chickaletta, I'm so glad you're okay.
I think they are too, Alex.
Thanks for saving them, Pops.
Don't mention it. Whenever waves wash you off your feet, just yelp for help.
The tide washed the shells out of the basket. We'll have to start all over tomorrow. I should have been more careful about keeping track of the tide.
You were digging up shells?
Yeah, during low tide, it's easier to find them.
Well, how about digging away from the water and deep down in the sand to find shells?
That sounds like a great idea.
Rubble, use your bulldozer to dig deep into the sand. Let's help Alex and the mini patrol find more shells.
Here comes Rubble on the double. Ruff, ruff, drill. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Arf, 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 arf. Oh. Ruff, scoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yep, yep, yep. Bark, bark. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Wow, look at all these shells, and in so many colors. Thanks again, PAW Patrol.
Hey, this shell looks like a croissant. Too bad it won't taste like a croissant.
The Adventure Bay games are underway. Who can throw the farthest? Who's the fastest runner? We're about to find out.
Huh. My kitties are faster than the PAW Patrol, or at least they will be after they put on these speed shoes I made especially for them. Go ahead, kitties.
Runners, head to the starting line.
I'm fired up.
On your mark, get set. And the pups have taken the lead.
That's the last time you'll be ahead, pups.
And the kitties are speeding ahead.
Whoa!
What's this? Something's gone wrong, folks. The kitties are running off the track.
Hey! Whoa!
The disc throw is wild. It's heading toward the crowd.
Oh, dear. Help us, Ryder.
Don't worry, no games are too dangerous. No pup is too small. Paw Patrol, on me. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hustling, pups. We need to save the kitties and the Adventure Bay games. For this mission, I'll need Tracker. Use the spring-loaded cables from your pup pack to catch the discus before it goes into the crowd.
I'm all ears, and cables too.
I'll also need Chase. Use your net to catch any of the kitties. Chase is on the case. I'll also need Liberty. These kitties are fast. Use your stretchy superpowers to stop one before it runs by.
It's time to stretch and fetch.
I'll also need Rex. Use your Dino Claw to grab any other kitties you can.
Let's Dino do this!
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Cables!
Arf, next.
Yep.
Power Paw.
Dino Claw!
Great job, pups. Now, let's get those shoes off the kitties.
They can't possibly pin this on me, or can they? Well, time to make my grand athletic escape. Oh, hey, wait, where's the mat to cushion my fall? Help!
Everest, use your rocket-powered snowboard to get to the mat and bring it over to protect Mayor Humdinger.
Off the trail, Everest won't fail!
Whoa! Ah, goodness!
I hereby announce that Mayor Humdinger and his kitties are disqualified from the games.
No.
Thanks for saving everyone, pups.
Don't mention it. Whenever the competition isn't playing fair, just yelp for help.
Runners, take your mark.
Come on! Yeah! Woohoo! Awesome! Oh, yeah!
Great race, pups. Here are your medals.
Yeah, Pops! Woohoo! Congrats! Yay!
Mayor Humdinger, I'm surprised to see you so supportive.
Well, I'm trying to get the award for the most enthusiastic crowd cheerer.
I don't think that's an award.
It's not? Oh.
Tag, you're it, Marshall.
Oh, no!
Hello, Pops. Are we enjoying the beach?
We are, Francois.
Well, I want to make it even more fantastic. Look, I designed these myself.
Wow, this one looks like a donut.
This is the perfect raft for you to ride on, right there.
These look great to take out on the water.
Thank you, Francois.
Oh, pump, I could make something better than that. Actually, I know exactly what to make to be better. Let's see. I could use this, and this. This will be the best raft they've ever seen. More, I need more, lots more. It's perfect. She'll be ready for her maiden voyage.
Look, it's Mayor Humdinger. What is he floating on?
Why? Are you jealous, Katie? Well, you should be. This deluxe raft is super popular, and it's made entirely of scrap materials.
Some of your raft is floating away, Mayor Humdinger.
That's all part of its design.
That's a lot of stray stuff floating in the ocean, dude. Wowee!
Whoa!
Let's get back to shore where it's safe. We'll be back to rescue you, Mayor Humdinger.
But I don't need saving. I'm fine.
Help! A piece of scrap metal poked holes in my raft. I'm sinking!
Paw Patrol, on me! Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hustling, pups. We need to save Katie and do something about Mayor Humdinger's raft made of scrap materials. So for this mission, I'll need Sky. Fly out over the ocean and tow Katie to shore before her raft sinks.
This pup's gotta fly.
I'll also need Zuma. Mayor Humdinger's raft is breaking apart. We need to help him and clean up the ocean. Use your propellers from your pup pack to go around the ocean collecting the scraps floating in the water.
Ready, set, get wet.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Let's go! Let's go, yeah! Ruff, propellers! Wow!
No! Help! I'm stuck!
Mayor Humdinger needs our help now. I'll need Marshall. Go out in an inner tube and free what remains of Mayor Humdinger's raft from the trash it's stuck on. I'm ready for a red-hot rescue. Zuma, use your rebreather to dive down and collect the sunken scrap material that's causing Mayor Humdinger to be stuck.
Let's dive in. Ruff, water cannon. Rebreather.
I guess I owe you pups a thank you.
You're welcome, Mayor Humdinger. Whenever your raft is sinking, just yelp for help.
What do we do with all this trash? Do we take it back to Scrap Island?
I could make a sculpture out of the scraps, turning trash into art.
That sounds great, Francois. Rocky, use your tools from your pup pack to recycle the material and help with Francois' art project.
Don't lose it, reuse it.
Et voila! It is a giant wave! These scraps turned out beautiful, no?
Ooh, nice. But let's keep it on the beach for everyone to see.
Cookies! Fresh cookies! And I deliver!
Get your s'mores here. I toast them just the way you like them.
The Adventure Bay Food Festival is a hit, Chickaletta. A smoothie stall. Ooh.
Yumi and I partnered with Digi and Tal to make smoothies.
They're made with fresh fruit from our farm.
And our new smoothie machine blends smoothies twice as fast.
I'll have an apple, banana, and orange smoothie, please.
Blend it right up.
It's a little noisy, isn't it?
Don't worry, it's all part of the smoothie making process.
Oh dear! It's going everywhere!
Whoa! The street suddenly got very slick. Ah!
Fire? I'll call the Paw Patrol for help.
My stomach's growling louder than me. Ryder will be down for the food festival soon. And then we'll eat all the tasty food for lunch. Late lunch, dinner, supper, midnight snack. Mayor Goodway, we're about to go to the food festival. How's it going?
It's about to burn down, Ryder! Digi and Tall's smoothie machine leaked liquid fruit everywhere. Miss Marjorie slipped on the mess and knocked over Uncle Otis's s'more stall and started a fire.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No malfunction is too messy. No pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Ryder needs us! Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. A smoothie machine was spilled everywhere, causing chaos at the food festival. Oh no! Is everyone okay? They will be once we clean everything up. So, for this mission, I'll need Marshall. Use your fire truck to put out the fire at Uncle Otis's s'more station. I'm ready for a red-hot rescue. I'll also need Zuma. Use your hovercraft to glide over the slippery smoothie and tow Mrs. Marjorie out of the mess.
Let's dive in.
I'll also need Rocky. Come along to fix the smoothie machine.
Don't lose it, reuse it.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Time to take care of this before it becomes a fire festival. Arf, arf! Water cannon! Oh, yeah! Help! I can't get out of this! Grab on, Miss Marjorie. Phooey! Ha! It's like water skiing, but now I'm smoothie skiing. Water cannon! Oh, yeah!
Ruff, ruff. The fire's out, but my s'more stall is in shambles.
I can help with that. And I'll fix the smoothie machine. Tools.
The smoothie machine is working. Here you go, Mayor Goodway.
Yummy. Oh, thank you for saving the food festival, pups.
Don't mention it. Whenever a food festival gets stuffed with problems, just yelp for help.
We were saving these dog treats for you. They're made from the freshest produce the farm produces.
Ha ha ha! Farm puns are fun. This is the best day ever. Can we have a food festival every day? Great idea, Rebel. My supercharged sailboard is riding these waves like a pro. Let's crank it up a notch. Whoa!
Voracious velocity, daring Danny X. Be careful of those soaring swells.
Huh? Whoa! It's it! I can't control it!
Look out!
Whoa!
Oh! That wave waylaid and waterlogged me. And Danny's still out there. I'll call the PAW Patrol for help.
Someone is sailing super fast out there. Captain Turbot, are you in the ocean?
Yes, Ryder. Daring Danny X is sailing out of control on a supercharged sailboard. He's sent a wave which washed me into the water. His board needs to be breached, and I need to be rescued from this aquatic activity I've assumed.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No sailboard is too supercharged, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Ryder needs us! Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir. Thanks for hustling, pups. Daring Danny X is riding on an out-of-control supercharged sailboard. Whoa, dude. Instead of hanging 10, is he hanging 100? I'm not sure, Zuma, but he caused Captain Turbot to go overboard. We need to save them both. So for this mission, I'll need Zuma. You'll retrieve Captain Turbot in your hovercraft.
Ready, set, get wet.
I'll also need Sky. Fly overhead and hook the sailboard and bring it back to shore.
This pup's gotta fly.
It sounds like Danny has modified the sailboard to go faster than it's supposed to. we'll need to set it back to normal. So for that, I'll need Rocky.
Green means go.
I'll also need Chase. Keep the beach clear in case of more trouble.
Chase is on the case.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Hey, it's the Paw Patrol! Oh. I'm here, Captain Turbot. Ruff, ruff, buoy!
I got it!
How do you stop this thing? I'll help you. Arf, arf, hup. Whoa! Now I'm sky sailing. All right.
Tools. It's a regular old sailboard now.
Floundering flounder! My boat is about to bombard Alex and the mini patrol.
Help! Help!
Chase, use your winch to pull the flounder away from Alex and the mini patrol once Zuma's hooked it onto the boat.
You got it, Ryder. Arf! Winch! Thanks, kid. Arf, arf, arf. Arf, arf, arf.
I was convinced my boat was about to bump them. Thanks for saving us, pups.
Don't mention it, Captain Turbot. Whenever boats and boards go astray, just yelp for help.
Aww. What stunt can I do now that my supercharged sailboard is disabled? You don't need a sailboard for body surfing, Danny. Oh, I'm so there. You didn't say how cold the ocean is.